Welcome to Embedded Electronics channel. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the purpose of a device driver in embedded systems? Answer: a device driver is software that allows the operating system or application to communicate with hardware components. Question: what is the difference between cooperative multitasking and preemptive multitasking? Answer: in cooperative multitasking, tasks voluntarily give up control, while in preemptive multitasking, the operating system decides when to switch tasks. Question: what is the role of a power-on reset circuit in microcontrollers? Answer: a power-on reset circuit ensures the microcontroller starts in a known state every time power is applied. Question: why is clock synchronization important in digital systems? Answer: clock synchronization ensures that data is transferred and processed correctly between components working at different speeds. Question: what is the difference between open drain and push-pull output in microcontrollers? Answer: open drain output requires an external pull-up resistor and can only pull the line low, while push-pull output can actively drive the line high or low. Question: what is the purpose of boundary scan in hardware testing? Answer: boundary scan, also known as JTAG, is used to test interconnections between chips without needing physical test probes. Question: what is the difference between throughput and latency in system performance? Answer: throughput measures the amount of work done in a given time, while latency is the delay between a request and the response. Question: why is floating point arithmetic slower than integer arithmetic in many microcontrollers? Answer: many microcontrollers lack dedicated floating point hardware, so floating point operations are executed in software and take more time. Question: what is the purpose of error detection and correction codes in memory systems? Answer: error detection and correction codes help identify and fix errors in stored or transmitted data, improving system reliability. Question: what is the difference between cold boot and warm boot in embedded systems? Answer: a cold boot happens when the system starts from complete power off, while a warm boot restarts the system without cutting off power completely. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.